Based on the information gathered from various sources, here are the 8 items you shouldn't store on the top of your fridge, according to safety experts. Number 1. Bread. Storing bread on the top of the fridge can expose it to heat and moisture, leading to quicker staleness or mold growth. It is recommended to keep bread in a bread box or a cool, dry pantry. Number 2. Plants. A fridge can expose them to heat, potentially damaging them. Additionally, if potted plant falls, it can cause a mess and contaminate the fridge. Number 3. Flammable items. Avoid storing flammable materials like paper towels or napkins on top of the fridge, as they can be exposed to the heat of the appliance's motor, increasing the risk of fire. Number 4. Medications. They should be kept in a cool, dry place away from humidity and temperature fluctuations. Storing them on top of the refrigerator can compromise their effectiveness and potency. Number 5. Heavy items. Storing heavy items on top of fridge can cause it to tip over, posing a danger. Number 6. Wine. Storing wine on top of the fridge is not ideal as the temperature tends to fluctuate, which can affect the quality and taste of the wine. It is recommended to store them in a dedicated wine rack or a cool dark cabinet to preserve their quality and taste. Number 7. Anything that can melt. Items such as chocolates should not be stored on top of the fridge as heat emitted from the refrigerator's compressor can melt or damage them. Candles, plastic items, and other heat-sensitive objects can also be affected. Number 8. Electrical appliances. Avoid storing electronics like radios or small appliances on top of the fridge as the heat emitted from the refrigerator's coils can affect their performance and lifespan. Additionally, storing flammable items on top of the fridge can increase the risk of fire. In conclusion, it is essential that the top of the fridge remains clutter-free, safe, and hygienic to maintain a clean kitchen environment and avoid any safety hazards.